Ghana cedis. And farmer was a fan training 1 million coders. Now and mebunu never register ye. Now would I redirect you to Google? Sam George, where are the laptops? Where is the money? Because I do not want to believe that the Ghana today for the better about things said what blow 10 million out of that can say what they are talking for supervisors. Supervisors or more supervisor the Google. Mr. Google ni ya driver the honum and
I was for my money na makwaba Edba Ghana and some TV so. One more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notifications. Say next time videos of this nature about so submit to my cabin so watch the or comment section for them. Say money down if Mr. President. Maybe who be from Mr. President I meje also. Who text me Mr. President or comment section I meje also. Who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President I meje also sir. Koye dey baby agenda MPP. So the money in the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and the same TV channel also. Yeah, they are what the new patriotic party and many kono. Yeah, they are about power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the power by MBA so selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at neze ebu idi. Yeah, me any am and for the Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo me am the NS assemble few. Now once again me catch again and mabunu nyina say amanya sem ne yeye no. Eh daachinti ne yeye amanya sem nye print ne amanya sem. De wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo say inti daachi bia no. Would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? We shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma to me say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma to me say fa be ye ohun yi. It is all your software. O ye ordinary Ghanaian. O ye educationist. O ye medical doctor. O ye hwan ni once I have an opportunity to brother serve public space, do it with due diligence, respect, and absolute clarity. And yes, I be a 100
million Ghana cedis. And farmer was a fan training 1 million coders. Now and mebunu never register ye. Now would I redirect you to Google? Sam George, where are the laptops? Where is the money? Because I do not want to believe that the Ghana today for the better about things say what blow 10 million out of that can say what they are talking for supervisors. Supervisors or more supervisor the Google. Mr. Google ni ya driver the honum and what talkers they are supervisors. You cannot tell me, Sam George, you cannot tell me so what the 10 million Ghana citizens want to cast. And the ama supervisor so almost found supervisor the so 50 million now was spent on the so-called supervisors. No, who are the supervisors, Sam George? Where are the so-called laptops now? What the bill Ghana? Me say laptop no. Yeah, but now up isu yeah who did this Sam George a quarter laptop abako. I 12,400. Sam laptop bi na obeto ye na wo so ana enso no. That bako ye 12,400 Ghana cedis. That is how much I the bill ye. Whenever we chin ye dia comment social bisa me say do have I got any proof? Fa we chin ye e dia comment section na bisa me say question no. Me no proof and come aba betan and ba bisa Sam George say scan away.
Akuya continue why man ye this.
What's the one nyansa na? Ye say mabunu Ghana mabunu. Ye say ye nya adwuma nye. Aban say what the 1 million coders eba. And to be training in coding and be self-employed, which was a brilliant idea. Even though the idea didn't come from them, it was a brilliant idea. Brabe training 1 million coders, and the Pakwa moko register for 1 million coding. No, omo feel Kosovo, omo ye Ghana for ma. They are Ghanaians, they are Ghanaian youth, and omo register for 1 million coders. No. So you cannot tell me say the national cake now you see a be 1 million coders no. You tell me 100 million Ghana cedis at the Sam George and there is no center. We cannot find the so-called laptops now October Kodema Ghana 12,400 and you are youth in this country. Who bet that comment section now will some hunu. Ya tam Ghana sika ya the Sam George the laptop now no also no. It taking the more than 30.
And we don't okay and I said yeah what power and I'm not qualifying. Sir, please, Abna Mama Kasa.
Pacho, enam, wadarama.
When the mom microphone in Tronchamo. What? Woman in Troncham, say Pragiana, but I know ordinary Pragia, Moody and free Jupiter and a moon. Send you a special one woman now. I'm now to consolate a share computer. Shall one catch him and say, I would say, do you know what a saying is? Do you know what a car is? Can you describe a car for me?
What I be?
That's why I'm a.
That's why I'm a. That's why I'm a. I pay port and no more feeling as any part 50 better it by feel you.
And so I say, so I'm a. I'm for how long?
I'm be in for 3 days.
No, 250.
And then the part
I didn't quite slow.
Not necessarily slow. And out of 2, I'm gonna say 150. A pharmacy technician, something 5, and 100 a pharmacist.
Pharmacy technicians, any pharmacy.
Hey, oh, Sunyane JJ. Your friend Sunyane JJ.
What was about worker? Was this to say for an invitation when you school or to uncle? Jay Cassa. What?
When you school, I say no.
Also, into
coin invitation.
Now, to say for no Sebi, or Mutimi crew make say. From Maria Wusi, Cassatan, Time San, or Mocasset, Timemu for the Pedro, minimum.
I said petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man cost?
What yes, abano to me so who na okofa wa de. What yes say? And I know asema na ka say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from no
anya abano na de.
Oh, unti dem yeken. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say. I was say ono mu hia. Ama ono mu hia but nanka we my no. Jadifo no chem so moko even say port wa ne ma no from kakra nyesa na mo kan yes but this kan ne ma bo no ba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa ma no omoko fa ne ma ne ba omo tete so ana aban no create another environment but say individual na tete ne ma so aban ketimi petro ensi no so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what I say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa ne ma we nyina bi no aban na ye ne de wi na say bonten so for no ye de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation be about 0.5
yes
na so and they were not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflation rate no.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi as propaganda secretary. Mentioned people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?